and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can make a perfect hair bun without using any of those hair bun accessories. Actually, situation may come where you have decided to make a hair bun and suddenly all of those accessories vanishes. Exactly same thing has happened with me where a couple of days ago I was wearing a sari and I had decided to make a hair bun, and I was not finding any of those accessories, hair bun makers. So that is when me and my sister, we just had an idea in our mind and we tried that, and guess what, it actually turned up into a perfect hair bun. And when I went to the function, all of my friends, they were asking me that which accessories did you try to do this bun, because it's looking very pretty. And when I told them that I have not used any of those hair bun maker, they were actually shocked. They were like, please tell us that how to do this, because they really liked it. So I'm really excited to share the same idea with you guys. So let's get started. Guys, if you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon in order to get all the latest updates.
Slowly killing me, but now things are awkward. Like, hey, how you been? When I used to hold you like it never ends. All of a sudden, we're not even friends, and I'm tired. Tell me how. Tell me how.